Greetings everyone. In today's video I will show you how to transfer Amazon gift card to bank account. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first open Amazon app, then here tap on your profile in the bottom here. Once you are in your profile, you have to tap on your account here, and in your account scroll down and in Amazon Pay tab and open Amazon Pay. Then here is the bottom left, you will see home, tap on it, and here you have to scroll down, and first you have to tap on add a gift card and add that gift card to your Amazon Pay. So you can enter the code here and then tap on add to your balance. So once you add your Amazon gift card to your Amazon Pay, go back, scroll to the top, and here you will see in quick action send money. If you don't see, you can tap on see more and tap on send money. Then here in send money you will see here to bank. If you don't see the bank, you can scroll to the left and find it here. Then tap on to bank, enter here to do all of the fill enter here, do all of the fill all your bank details and tap on pay now, and the gift card balance you added on the Amazon Pay will be transferred to your bank account. So this is how you can transfer Amazon gift card.